All right, so this is EduClipper here, and it's somewhat similar to Pinterest, but for education. You can add what they call clips instead of pins of different websites, resources. You can upload things from your iPad, images, videos, whatever you'd like. And so then here on the home page, you can see sort of the things that other people have shared as well. But what I think it could be really useful for is for the students to create an e-portfolio at the end of the year, and they could build it throughout the year, but essentially they'd be adding in the different things they create that they're proud of throughout the year. So then they would have this that they could share, and it's online, so they could link to it with a QR code, or they could share it in their blogs if they do end up doing blogs. But it's a pretty simple, straightforward app to use and nice for getting things in the same place. So the bottom left here, if you click the plus button, these are the different things you can create. The EduClip is sort of the single thing. Maybe it's something you've uploaded, a website, a blog post, an image, a video, whatever it may be. The clipboard then is the collection of those clips. And so maybe you have a clipboard for social studies and one for math or something like that. And then the portfolio I'll show you here, that's where you can combine your favorite things that you've created and the things you're most proud of. The bottom row probably won't need to use EduBinders if you're creating collections of resources to sell. And then new class and new assignment would be if you were using the app as a learning management system, which it doesn't have nearly the functionality that something like Canvas or Edmodo has, but you can create classes and assignments within it if you want. But I think the main power comes from these at the top, the clips and the portfolio. So if I hit portfolio here, I could just title it Demo Portfolio, and then all you have to do is hit this clip button and you can start adding in your clips. So these are the things that I've clipped before, some test articles and stuff like that. But at the top left, you've got create new clip. And so you see the students can pull in content from all of these different places. They can pull it in from the web, from their camera, if they want to take a picture, from their camera roll, and from their Google Drive. So this can sync up with their Google Drive to easily pull in stuff from there also. Plus they've got this whiteboard where they can draw things. They can also record a video. So if you wanted to have them recording and drawing and writing, that it's got the built-in whiteboard already. Doesn't have any stickers, unfortunately, but otherwise it's a pretty good feature. But this way they could pull in all the different things that they're making throughout the year, even if it's a picture of a physical thing they made, or if it's something that they have in Google Drive, or something they've made in another app like Chatterpix that they've exported as a video to their camera roll. It can pull in all those different things, which is cool. So I'm going to say done here and head back to my portfolio. Oops, done. And we'll go ahead and add in a few clips just so you can see what it's like, and say continue to the next step. Then the students have the option of picking a different template that they like, and this can of course be changed later if they want to. They can pick these different themes down here at the bottom as well, and then I'll hit save and add content. And so now this takes me to the portfolio. It's just the two things I've had, but you could imagine this growing over the year with all these different resources that students had. They could comment on each other's, or you can also disable commenting here at the top as well. And then you can share it out through a link or through social media. Probably the best way for this would be just to have the link be online. They could have a QR code to it if they wanted to. But I think it's a pretty straightforward and powerful app. Might be worth testing out more this summer just to make sure it's can do everything that you'd want it to do. But initial testing seems to be pretty positive and very friendly. At the top right here, if you click on your name, that can take you to your personal stuff here on the right. And then on the left side, the three bars at the top left, those will let you search other people's things. So if the students wanted to search for things that other students or teachers created, you could search through those things as well, which is kind of fun. But that's the main usage of the app, and I think it could be a really good tool for having them make e-portfolios. So that's EduClipper.